I'm going to demonstrate setting the times on this Trianco combi boiler. Okay, in the top left this is in run mode, but I'm going to move it to prog mode by pressing this. Look at the little square on the LCD screen. That's in clock setting mode. Now in programming, now I can choose what day of the week I want to program for, but for simplicity in this case we always program every day to be the same. What that actually means is we program any one day of our choice and then we copy those settings to every other day. So I'm going to program a Thursday. I'm going to press enter to move to the next step. So when does it turn on the first time? It turns on at 6:30 AM. I could change that. Now it turns on at 6:40 AM. 6:50, 7 AM is the first switching on for this automatic timer program. Okay, then I press enter. When does it turn off the first time? 10 AM, 11 AM. Let's go back to 10 AM. Okay, when does it turn on the second time? Now in this case we don't need three programs, three pairs of ons and offs in this house. So the second mode both switches on at 12 PM and switches on at 12 PM and switches off at 12 PM. Then we've got the evening session starts at 4:30. I'm going to make that a bit later. I'm going to make that 5 PM and it finishes at 9:30 PM. Okay, so having set the 3 ons and 3 offs with times of the day, and that was on a Thursday, I can now copy that to another day of the week. So I'm now going to press plus Friday and press the copy button, the last button, and I have now copied it to each other day, and I repeat this for every day of the week. Okay, so we always do that because it's really too confusing to have different programs for different days of the week. After changing the programs, we press set. You may notice the bottom 2 icons on the right here show that both the hot water and the central heating are currently off, so they're not using the timer at all. But if I moved them to auto, then they would use all of those modes. If I moved it to all day, they would switch on at the first one and off at the last one. If I set them to 24-hour, it would ignore the clock and it would always be switched on. There are of course various thermostats and safety valves and things that also need to be enabled in the proper way before the boiler will actually fire and heat up.